Okay, in this last video, I'd like to cover some questions that I frequently get when I tell people about this traffic generating system, this YouTube piggybacking system. And one of the first questions that usually comes up is, how can you use this, right? I showed you people, promoting affiliate products with this system. I like to send this traffic, directly to my Kindle books. I showed you that crazy cat farts video, and this is the link that it is sending people to. This is a great way to, create residual sales. I know there's a sale or two rolling in every day for this book. This is a very successful book. It's ranked 2200 in the Kindle store. It's number one in several categories. I know one of the reasons that that's the case is that I am sending this YouTube traffic to this actual book listing page. Now, your success may vary. It may depend on how closely related the YouTube video is to the actual book. It may depend upon the call to action in the actual video itself, sending people over there, right? Like, okay, if you think farts are funny, check this out, and then sending them here. It may depend on a lot of things, but I know for a fact that this technique is helping the sales of this book. In addition to that, by linking to a very successful video, and I don't have the numbers right here, but I know this particular page has a high page rank. This is a very powerful backlink to be sending to a Kindle page. I know Amazon notices that as well, and it most likely adds some promotional juice to this particular book listing page. By the way, you can use this exact same system to build a powerful list in any niche. I could send them to this squeeze page where people can download an audiobook version of this book. I can go right from here, right from the cat farts video, and say, hey, you think that's funny? Here's an audiobook version. Go ahead and enter your name and email address, and I'll send you this really funny kids book called Ninja Farts. You can do this in any niche. You can do this with some freebie yoga giveaway. You could give someone some free chicken coop plans and get them on a list, and then have an email follow-up campaign promoting related chicken coop design products or your chicken coop design book. As long as you get them on the list first, you can always connect with them. You can always send them a message promoting anything else in the future. Another question that I get a lot is, why would these video creators agree to put your link in their description? Well, that's a really good question. Lots of people upload videos on YouTube sort of on a goof. They do it because they think it's funny. They do it because they want to send it to their friends. And then lo and behold, it's getting a lot of page views. Maybe it's going viral. They never intended to use this as a vehicle to promote something else. And so it never would even occur to them that they could make money with their YouTube video that they just got up, or that they just uploaded one day on a goof. Probably like this person, he only has 5 videos up. I bet he's pretty surprised that he has over 2 million views. Maybe he doesn't even know. And so what I found is that, by offering people a small sum of money like $10 or $15 or $20 for something like putting a link in a video description, lots of people say, woohoo, that's amazing. I never imagined I could actually make money with this video. So lots of people don't even know how valuable these assets are. A video like this with lots of page views that gets thousands of people watching it every day, that is super valuable, but many people don't even know that. That's why I recommend that you reach out to at least 20 video creators, and chances are one of them is going to get back to you and agree to put your link in their video description. Another question that I get a lot from my students is, how much do I need to spend, and is this something that am I have to send these people money every month? Well, the answer is no, and I actually don't ever include that in my original message to them. I would never, right off the bat say, hey, I want to send you $50 every month for you to put your link, my link in your description. Now, they may come back to me and propose that, and if it's a video, a high traffic video like this one, I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind sending them 10 or $15 a month, or maybe even more if it's getting lots and lots of views. depending again on how closely related this is to your niche, if it's a perfect fit, if it's getting thousands of views every day, if you have some analytics on this link, right? If you have a program like PrettyLink or Bitly or something like that where you can actually track the clicks that you're getting here and you see, holy cow, I'm getting 100 clicks every day. Yes, I would say that's worth 10 or 15 bucks a month. But I would never include that in my original description, and you don't need to as well. It's all negotiable depending on your niche, your advertising budget, and how closely related this video is. But if you've ever done any sort of paid advertising before, whether it's Google AdSense or Facebook advertising or buying a banner somewhere on some site, this is about as cheap as it gets, and it's YouTube is the golden goose. So much traffic comes through here, and it gets so nichey and granular in terms of keywords and genres and topics and categories and niches itself, that I recommend that you try this. If you've never done this before, go ahead and try it. You've got nothing to lose except for 10 or 15 bucks. Try it yourself. Link out to your own Kindle book or affiliate product page or blog or Facebook fan page, etc. Go ahead and try this method for yourself. Spend 10 or 15 bucks and see what kind of results you get. You might just be surprised. You might just be elated and find that this is a really effective way to spend a little bit of money and get some big results from this YouTube traffic. Thanks very much, everybody. I hope you learned something. I had a lot of fun showing you this system. Let me know what sort of results that you create with this YouTube piggybacking system. I'm really interested to hear. Take care.